Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, let's start a new chapter. Its name is Some Natural Phenomena. Now the question arises, what do you mean by the term natural phenomenon? So natural phenomena means an event that occurs naturally. Number 1. Number 2, it is it is just a natural, it's not artificial. And third thing, which is it is having no human intervention. So an event that occurs naturally without any human intervention, this is known as natural phenomenon. Now the question arises that which kind of natural phenomena are available. So some natural phenomenon is important and some of the natural phenomenon is very tragic in nature. So first let's understand what are the important natural phenomena. So the wind blowing is important factor. Second one is rain falling. It is also an important factor. Weather changing from time to time, this kind of phenomenon is must in your life, okay, and it is beneficial it is beneficial for the world. But some phenomenon are there which is quite tragic in nature. For example, flood, for example, drought, then lightning, then tornado, cyclone, then tsunami, earthquake, etc., volcanic eruption, etc. So this kind of phenomenon is quite hazardous in nature. Look over here in this diagram, you can able to see some natural phenomenon which is useful or which is not harmful. For example, formation of the rainbow. You know, it is because of the dispersion of the light. We already understood this in 16th chapter, light. Wind blowing is happen because of uneven heating of equator and the polar region, or uneven heating of land and water, which is essential for each and everything. Third thing is rain. Rain is the most important factor due to which the life is possible on the earth. Third one, the daytime, nighttime, it is because of the rotation of the earth. Lightning and thunder, some sort of it is beneficial, but sometimes it is very harmful for the living beings. Okay, now next one is sunrise, sunset. Again, the same reason, responsible rotation of the earth. Dew means what? So dew means the condensation during winter mornings causes the atmosphere very blurry or hazy. Okay, the water vapor is condensing on the dust particle. Due to that reason, the vision is not clear. This is known as fog. Because of the fog, whatever the cold things are there, for example leaves, or for example the glass of the vehicle, on that you can see the puddles, okay, or droplets of water is present, which is known as dew. Snowfall, you know very well. Fog, I just now explained you. Hail is not useful. Okay, what is hail? So same water cycle will be happen, but in this the water droplets are falling in terms of ice particles or ice stones, so that is known as hail. Now let's see some natural phenomenon which is quite destructive in nature. So I just now spoke the examples of that, that is cyclone, then lightning, then earthquake, then tsunami, volcanic eruption. Just now let me tell you one extra information, that one island is there, its name is Tonga, 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 which is near to the New Zealand. Okay, just now the volcanic eruption happened due to in the ocean. Due to that reason, two types of natural disaster get combined, that is volcanic eruption Okay, that volcanic eruption was so large that we can easily see through the satellite images. Okay, the blast was quite high and quite dangerous, and due to this reason the tsunami created. So over there the people are facing the both kind of, so basically they have faced these two kinds of natural disaster, which is volcanic eruption and the tsunami. Moving to the next one, let's see which content we are going to understand in this chapter. So we are going to understand about two natural destructive phenomena. Its name is lightning and the earthquake. Okay, to understand how the lightning form, for that we must need to know the one thing. Let's see in the table of the content. Look over here. We are going to understand first about static charge. Okay, there are two types of electric charge. The one is static charge and the second one is dynamic charge. I will teach you afterwards. Second one is electroscope. What is an electroscope? What is the use of that? How it looks like? What is the structure, etc. And then after completion of this two topic, we can easily able to understand how the lightnings are formed. And second, last but not the least, the topic is earthquake. What is earthquake? How the earthquake forms? Okay, after earthquake, what are the effects that is created? So these things we are going to understand in this chapter. So first thing I will going to explain over here, which is electric charge. So basically two types of charges are there. First one is static charge and second one is dynamic charge. About dynamic charge you already understood over here. Okay, that is in 14th chapter, chemical effects of an electric current. So electric current is an example of dynamic electric charge. First let me explain you static. Static means stationary, means the charge which is stationary. This is known as static electricity. But what is dynamic electricity? It is named as electric current. What is an electric current? So electric current, the definition of the electric current is, we understood that the flow of negative charge in the circuit is known as electric current. Okay, so what is this? Moving of charge is there. Moving of negative charge in the circuit is known as electric current. Means over here the motion of the charge is going on, that is known as electric current, and that's why its name is dynamic charge. Okay, and over here static charge means stationary. So dynamic charge you already understood. Now we are going to understand about static charge. So to understand static charge, first we need to know about a topic. Its name is matter, that you understand since 6th standard. What is a matter? Matter means uh, anything that occupies space and has mass. It is known as matter. Okay, now we know that everything is made up of some material. For example, this huge wall is made up of the by combining the bricks. So same way over here also matters are also made up of the tiniest particle. Its name is, if you combine the atoms you will get molecules. If you combine the molecules you will get a matter. Okay, so first let's understand the structure of the atom. Look over here, this is the structure of the atom, in which you can easily able to see over here that it consists of three different charges. Okay, so this is the center. This center is named as nucleus. Okay, its name is nucleus. This nucleus consisting of two types of charge. Number one is positive charge and its name is proton, and second one is neither positive nor negative, its name is neutron. It is neutral in nature and that's why its name is neutron. Moving to the next one is the charge, which is the negative charged particle is named as electrons. Okay, so whatever the static charge or dynamic charges are there, that is because of this is the structure of the atom. Okay, moving to the next one, that when will the static charge reduce? Okay, or when will the static charge occurs? So to understand that, first we need to see the definition. What is static electricity? So static electricity means the charge which cannot or which does not able to flow, that is known as static charge. Means it cannot able to move from one place to another place as as the electrons are flowing in the electric circuit. Okay, now let's see some of the examples of the static electricity, and then after I will going to teach you that what are the charges, which type of charges are there. So charges are having two types, which just now we understood. One is the positive charge and second one is the negative charge. Okay, and since 14th chapter I used to speak that every body consists of some charges, whether it is positive or negative, but it is in a balanced manner. It is in a balanced manner. That's why all the bodies are quite neutral in nature. They are having both charges in a same amount. Means positive charges is equal to negative charges, means amount of positive and negative charges are equal, so they will going to behave like balanced charges, or should I say neutral body. Okay, but sometimes either because of rubbing or because of the friction or because of the conduction or because of the induction, okay, some body becomes positively charged, on the other hand some bodies become negatively charged. So just now I have explained you that proton and electrons are there. So if in a body, because of some process, number of positive charge is greater than number of negative charge, then that body becomes positively charged. But when the number of positive charge is less than number of negative charge, at that time that body becomes negatively charged. Okay, and same it is same like magnets, that we know that when north pole and south pole, these two poles are opposite, means unlike poles are there, so they are going to attract each other. Same way, if positive charge is there and if negative charge is there, means opposite charges are there, then they are going to attract each other. But when same charges are there, either negative negative or positive positive, at that time they are repelling each other. Okay, so this is about some charges. So that's That's it for the day. Next time I will going to explain you with examples what are static charge and all, along with their uses. So till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye.